maginaw po dito sa kinalalagyan ko. So, kailangang magsuot ng jacket. Good morning. Hello, people of the world. Sa lahat ng tao na sumusunod sa akin, marami pong salamat. Sa buong mundo na interesado sa mga ginagawa ko at binibili yung mga pinipresent ko, maraming pong salamat sa support. Okay, so today, gagawa tayo ng coffee, oatmeal, and gelatin concoction. Kagabi, inihanda ko na yung gelatin ahead of time, so we're not wasting single time. And same thing with the concoction of half a cup of rolled oatmeal, half a cup of fresh milk, 1/4 cup of yogurt, a dash of chia seed, and tablespoon maple syrup. You can lessen it, depends on your taste. Maybe a teaspoon will do. And then stir it very well and let's stay overnight in the ref. Here it is. I'm going to open the lid and present to you the concoction. Now, since meron tayong gelatin, lagyan natin sa ibabaw ng gelatin so it becomes very appealing, appetizing, beautiful. And slowly, I'm going to put it on top. There you go. This is the concoction. But it's not over yet because I need to pour into the concoction my favorite double shot espresso. There you go. So it's done. I have the concoction, coffee, oatmeal, and the gelatin, which I prepared for all of you. See you next time. Bye-bye.